To all my viewers and fellow collectors, happy 2025. Today's features are the recent release from Kaido House MINI GT as well as INNO64. Will this be the very last batch of Liberty Walk for MINI GT and INNO64? As announced by Tarmac Cards on IG that they are the exclusive retailers. That wait to be seen. And now for the BMW M3 Kaido works. Standard packaging design. As expected from Kaido, very realistic casting, very nice finishing of the paint job with very sharp livery as well. For the wheel set, it rolls extremely well for the front and rear. Nice interior with a roll cage. All the realistic details including the iconic BMW grille. The styling of the M3 is on point. Not forgetting the extremely detailed engine that I'm very proud to add into my Kaido House collection. Next, the Skyline R34, the Shinjuku V1, a casting which are all collectors' favorite that can be found in every brand. Standard packaging. For some reason, I'm not a very big fan of this casting. Somehow I really do not prefer the molding of the white body. Doesn't sit really well with me, although I'm a big fan of the R34. Paintwork wise is very basic but very finished. It's almost like the Zamac version, but it's not. It's coated with a very even silver paint. One thing for sure is the very intricate details. It's very nice. This is one of the main reasons why I collect Kaido House. It's very cool. Wheel set definitely rolls extremely well, this is for sure. Not forgetting the engine compartment. Overall, a pretty neat casting to add to the collection. Next, the very popular Nissan Silvia S15, the LB Super Silhouette Kuma. There's a couple of versions of this. This is one of them. The Kuma is also one of the Liberty Walk line, which has come with figurines. Very loud Liberty Walk livery, one of the cool ones. You can see there's plenty of Kuma on the body, and also very nice styling of the Liberty Walk typography. The all black wheel set rolls extremely well. Elastic side mirror, simplified interior with a very dark tint on the window, and also a very nice wrap on the livery, including a very realistic rear light. One of the very cool but light-hearted livery from Liberty Walk. Next, the recent release S15 from SEMA 2023. Japanese cute livery on this S15. Standard packaging design. Specs wise, I believe it's similar to the Kuma. It just comes with a different livery presentation and also the rim. Not surprising, the wheel set rolls extremely well. The livery is very loud, predominantly in pink and white. Very cool design with the racing number 99 and also a similar detailed rear. Next, the 35 GT-RR from INNO64, the LB Silhouette works. There is now a QR code for you to scan whether this is a genuine INNO64 product. Nice backdrop for Fuji. The wrapper is out with a very standard presentation, just like all the INNO64. I really like this casting. The whole body is wrapped with carbon fiber. It's an extremely detailed casting. Definitely the price point is also higher as it has a more finish and it's looking more premium. All the intricate details that are presented neatly into this casting, looking very cool. And the highlight is definitely on the carbon wrap across the whole body. I think it's a very nice job done by INNO64. The finishing is excellent. It's almost perfect casting. I will no doubt you'll look very awesome in diecast photography. Even with the carbon wrap, we can even still see the LB livery, and that is very impressive. Really love the printing technique here. It's very cool. Wheel set rolls well, and it's not static. And one of the best INNO64 casting to date. Overall, a very nice mix of casting from two leading retailers. Happy to add that into my collection. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to smash the like button.